In this video, you'll learn how to block an IP address on Cloudflare. This process involves navigating through the Cloudflare dashboard and setting up specific security rules to restrict access from unwanted IP addresses. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard. Once you arrive at the site, you may be prompted to sign in. Enter your credentials to access your account. This step is essential as you must have administrative rights to modify security settings. After signing in, locate the section labeled Domains on the left sidebar. Click on this option to proceed. This action will redirect you to an overview of all the domains associated with your account, allowing you to select the specific domain you wish to manage. Next, look for the domain you want to block an IP address from. Click on it to reveal the domain's settings. This screen provides various management options, including security settings and performance metrics. Once you've accessed your domain settings, find and click on the Security tab located in the menu. This section allows you to manage various security features, including firewall settings and access controls. After entering the Security section, click on the Overview option. This will display current security settings and rules that have been previously configured for your domain. Then navigate to the section labeled Security Rules within the Security menu. Here, you will find options to create and manage custom security rules tailored to your specific needs. To begin creating a new rule, click on the button labeled Create Rule. This action will take you to a new interface where you can define the parameters of your rule. Next, select Custom Rules as the type of rule you want to create. This option allows for more flexibility in defining the specific criteria for blocking IP addresses. Once you are in the Custom Rules section, click on the button labeled New Custom Rule to initiate the creation of your rule. This step is crucial for setting up the specific conditions for your IP blocking. You will then be prompted to enter a name for your rule. This could be something descriptive, like block malicious IPs, to help you remember its purpose later. Next, click on the section that says When Incoming Requests Match. This part allows you to define the conditions that will trigger the rule you are creating. Now, select IP address from the options provided. This specifies that the rule will focus on incoming requests from particular IP addresses. After that, click on the option labeled Equals. This choice means that you will be blocking specific IP addresses rather than ranges or patterns. Type in the IP address you wish to block. Ensure that you input the correct format to avoid any errors in the blocking process. Double check for accuracy before proceeding. Next, click on the drop-down labeled Select to choose the action that will be taken when a match is found. From the list that appears, select the option labeled Block. This action will restrict all access from the specified IP address. Finally, click on the button labeled Deploy to activate your new rule. This step is essential as it confirms the creation and implementation of your blocking rule. If you would like to try blocking an IP address on Cloudflare yourself, the link is available in the description and pinned comment below. This allows easy access to start the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.